Morning guys, and welcome to My Trucking Life. It's Wednesday the 23rd of May, I believe, and we are just having a nice late start to the morning. We've not started till about 7:45 because we've got a late booking for Stratford in London. So first things first, we've been over to the factory around the corner to go and pull one of our loaded trailers out. That is for Portishead, either tomorrow or later on today. You're not going to bother indicating? Fine. Not all Audi drivers are like that, just the majority. So we've just pulled this wide load out of the factory, taking it back to the yard. Yesterday when we finished work, we got our trailer ready for today, and like I said earlier, it's going down to Stratford in London. Actually, I didn't say it, did I? I told them guys there that it was, that's what. So yeah, the trailer's ready to rock and roll. We've just done this first, and that'll give us a good couple of hours to get down to London. Probably have to have a break near Toddington Services, probably reset my drive time, so I don't want to be messing around waiting for somewhere to have a break. Right, we made it to the M6, all good. There's a few idiots on the road hogging the outside lanes, but they're out of our way, so don't worry about them. We got a report of debris or debris on the road. I'm sure you know which is the correct pronunciation there. I like to call it debris. Sounds a bit more extravagant. So we just got to keep our eyes peeled for any. Sweeping round the Catthorpe interchange now. There's no issues down the roadworks between 4 and 2 on the M6, so that was good. And the roadworks have been lifted here, so we shouldn't have any delays. Alright guys, there we have her. Definitely a wide load. What do you reckon? We've made it to Toddington. We're on our half-hour break now. We've probably got enough time to just about get to the site, but then we'll be fishing around trying to get them to wait for me to have half an hour before they can unload, or have me manoeuvre somewhere else. So we're just playing it safe, having half an hour here, so once we get on site we've got no messing around. Get the straps off. It's only going to be about 6 lifts. Hopefully it'll be 6, 1, 2, 6, possibly more, but yeah, fairly straightforward one. Had to spend a bit of time climbing up and threading the straps through us there. Some of them I have, some of them I haven't. As you can see here, we put the 2 through the inside, and the one we've just put over the outside as well in the middle, just to keep it nice and secure, to save pulling on the one beam, because if you pull on the one single item, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it in the past, but if you pulled on the one beam like that, you're putting a lot of strain on it and twisting it, and that didn't sound very good, did he? No idea. But yes, we've just got to get ourselves out of here now. It's a Warborough's truck as well, so definitely want to give them wide berths. Doesn't seem to be very confident in that turn. He's on the hard shoulder, man. Jesus. I'm all for taking it cautiously, but there's no reason he had to go on the hard shoulder. Maybe he panicked when he saw me, but definitely no need for it. Got a tunnel coming up now, and I can't remember what it's like through it. So I want to make sure when we get in there I've got no one next to me, just in case the walls are right on the side of the lane. So we're doing the speed limit, we're not holding anyone up, and we'll assess the situation when we get in the tunnel, because I don't want to be ripping signs off the road like that 40-mile-an-hour one possibly. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, so we can move back across. Lovely jubbly. Lot of development, lot of development going on. And here's part of the Olympic Stadium. Is it the bird's nest? If you look to the left, those cranes there, that's where we came with my brother. We delivered some of the initial office buildings that they put up before the site even started there, and my gosh, it hasn't half changed. And if you look pretty much straight ahead at those cranes, I think they're on the site that we go into. It's a really huge site, to be honest. I forget the name of it. No point squeezing around here. Got a BMW plonked himself underneath the, and he's not underneath the load, but he's not in the best situation, so we've got to be wary of him. Obviously we've got to watch this Jeep here, who doesn't seem to know what he's doing. Spending more time riding the brakes than actually driving. So there you go, over the right hand side there, and the blue crane in front of you, I believe, is all part of our site that we're delivering to now. So they've gone past all these signs now. The second one coming up is saying there's 100 yards until their lane closes. Not a single one of them's indicating that they want to come across, so I ain't giving them any space. If they indicate to say they're coming over, I'll hang on. But I guess they're kind of thinking, oh, he's got to give way to me. Luckily we're turning right here anyway, so not a single one of them, look, they're just all trying to filter in regardless. Right, okay. Just pulled over there to put you up there. Then we're going to make our way into the site. I was only going to intend this being a small vlog, but it's turned out to be something a bit more better. Now I know it's the wide load and stuff like that. Rather tight turning actually. Can't remember if I was wide last time we came here. Don't think we was. I'm just going to skip while I'm talking to the chap here. Alright buddy? I'm just going to clear the road.
Right, so we are on site. And the site crosses a normal road. Oh, I don't know if we're going to fit through the gate. Oh! That's tight. I'm going to clip that fence. Oh! Nice. Just brushed it. Right, I'll see you when we tipped, because I don't want to film too much of the site now. Catch you in a bit, guys. Well, that was easy. Nice simple tip. We was in there just over an hour, so no delays there either. We managed to get a 40-minute break in after we took everything off and stuff like that. So we haven't reset our drive time, but that doesn't matter. We've got 3 hours now before we'll need a break. So we'll probably have half an hour either at Toddington Services or one further up. So now, all we got to do now is sit in the rush hour traffic, because it's going to just be starting to build up now, either here or around the M25. So we'll just have to wait and see. I'm pretty sure it won't be too bad though, as a Volkswagen is very kind there, letting me out. Well, that was unexpected, and they didn't even make the lights thanks to letting me out. So, little Volkswagen Passat, I thank you very much for your courtesy. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time, guys.